Good day. The previous section dealt with were general plans and methods common to all types of investigations. Although the specific section that we deal with today addresses various types of investigation, it is extremely important to note that it requires specific plans and methods to deal with specific types of insurances. This is only a brief aid memoir and provide the following. Property claims. A justice plan should include the following: all instruments and tools that he requires. GPS or maps, note paper, pen and pencil, camera, tape recorder, tape measures, electronic or otherwise, a ladder, etc. Heavy duty boots, protective clothing for his investigation. Have all the documentation required in place. Don't accept without questioning a loss schedule from the insured. The adjuster must complete a second inspection to verify the information provided. Best are results obtained where the adjuster inspects every damaged item with insured and prepares the schedule himself, or alternatively, consider the use of a specialist to attend to this on his behalf. Inform insurers immediately if appointment can be carried out due to insignificant expertise. Business interruption, loss of profits. An examination of insurer's financial records to determine the turnover of the financial year preceding the date of the loss. Establishing the rate of gross profit of the financial year immediately before the loss. The annual turnover. Obtain the standard turnover and also the turnover during the indemnity period, as well as the business trends. Stock losses. A justice plan should make provision for thorough inspection of the scene, as well as the financial records and stock records to determine if they correspond and are supportive of one another. Plant and machinery. A justice plan should include a list of plant and machinery and complete description of each item, i.e. make, model, specification and number, etc. Which items are subject to a maintenance agreement and warranty or guarantee. Plan should also include the identification of actual cause, identification of wear and tear items that should be excluded from the claim. Consider repair replacement quotations to establish upgrading or improved capacity. This applies particularly to electronic equipment claims. Theft or burglary. Be aware of specific matters relative to theft and burglary, which are neighborhood where premises are situated, what impact does it have on the risk of theft and burglary, type of stock carried by the business, cite the spot where the perpetrators gained entry into the premises, establish whether the burglary was by actual forcible and violent entry or exit, policy notification, suspects. Was there an alarm system in place and operative at the time, and what impact did it have on the loss? Any security improvements to be recommended? Fidelity guarantee and or money. The justice should target the following information. Consider the policy conditions in both cases. When did the loss occur? When was it discovered and how and by whom? Has any criminal legal procedures been taken against the staff member? Identify the staff member. If a money loss, who is a suspect, if not a staff member? The operation system in which the loss occurred? What controls were in place and whose responsibility was it to oversee the situation? Proving the loss, and lastly, restitution.